Acid reflux happens when stomach acid flows backward into your esophagus, creating that uncomfortable burning feeling in your chest. Many people wonder if apple cider can help solve this problem naturally. The short answer is no. Apple cider will likely make your acid reflux worse. Apple cider is highly acidic with a pH level between 3 and 4. This means it adds more acid to your stomach instead of reducing it. When you already have acid reflux, drinking acidic beverages increases irritation in your esophagus. Think of it like adding fuel to a fire that is already burning. Some people confuse apple cider with apple cider vinegar, but both are acidic and both worsen reflux. Your stomach does not need more acid when reflux is the issue. Instead, focus on eating smaller meals throughout the day to reduce stomach pressure. Avoid lying down immediately after eating, since gravity helps keep acid in your stomach. Choose alkaline foods like bananas, oatmeal, melons, and green vegetables to neutralize stomach acid naturally. Stay away from trigger foods like chocolate, caffeine, spicy dishes, and fatty meals. Elevate the head of your bed by 6 to 8 inches if you experience nighttime reflux. If symptoms persist for more than 2 weeks, consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment options.